and hopefully feel a little less stressed during that time for the next video. We'll see. What do you think? Yo, it's Filomena. I am working on a lot of art today, always for the rest of my life, and I'm freaking out a little bit. Full transparency, freaking out a little bit. So many things, so many wonderful, beautiful things happening, and it is just me answering the emails, sending the invoices, ordering the supplies, coming up with the artwork, being on time, putting on my lip gloss, all of it, making these YouTube videos. Not complaining. This is way better than sitting at a desk for me. I tried sitting at a desk for many, many years. Didn't work. Oh, but girls, boys, everybody in between, I am feeling... I'm feeling more weight than I probably should. I'm doing it to myself, most likely. But I'm still going to the gym. I'm taking my vitamins, talking with friends, doing the things. I'm doing the thing. So for my other solopreneurs, join hands with me, solopreneurs. We can do this thing, but we also have to be careful to take care of ourselves. So please let us take care of ourselves. Want to see a project I just taught? So here are the shirts from this year's Mural Fest. Recognize a bunny? Here's my boy Bunzy. And here's some beautiful characters from Somo, another local Elmira artist. He's so cool. There's my Bunzy. So I taught a sewing class on Saturday, and what we did was we cut the sleeves up, cut the sides off, and I also cropped mine. And then we added this trim, and what's so cool is you can make the armholes as wide as you want. You can let it flare by opening it up. It was really fun, and it's simple for new sewers. Like, not the simplest project, you know, there's still some stuff to learn and a little bit of disease, because it's not easy for everybody the first time. That's okay. It's okay to do hard things. I'm doing hard things right now. That's what this video is about. Just a little touch with my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for all the new subscribers. So painting today, meetings, walking the dog, again, going to the gym. I've started again the couch to 5K thing. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know how y'all run, because at what cost? I'm sending you a lot of love. Thanks for letting me just drop in here and vlog a bit and rant a bit. Here's my Mural Fest t-shirt from last year. Infinite Canvas. So much great stuff happening here in Elmira, New York. What are you working on? I'd like to hear. Again, thanks for the subscribers, and I will see you at some other point, and hopefully feel a little less stressed during that time for the next video. We'll see. What do you think? Is it possible? I hope it's possible. Bye. Wow. Also, if you'd like to see what I've been doing at a local mural recently and learn a bit about my process and how you can make better murals, check out this video here. It's a lot of fun. Come on site with me. Thanks for subscribing.